Hello everyone, welcome to Scratch tutorial 6, and in this tutorial we're gonna create our very own sprite and we're gonna do a lot of cool stuff with it. So let's get started. Since we don't need this cat sprite, I'm just gonna delete it like this. Next, I'm gonna drag my cursor to the cat sprite library icon and then choose the option with the paintbrush like this, and then I click on it. This takes me to a editor. So I can just change the color if I want. Suppose I want purple, so I do it like this. And then I go here to make a rectangle or a square. And then after that, I want to draw a smiley face in it, so I click on the paintbrush here. And then I change it to red like this. And then I draw it. So we drew the smiley face. Now I'm just going to delete these two dots by using the eraser by clicking here, and then we go to code by clicking here. Now we're going to control the motion of the sprite. So I'm going to go to events. I'm going to drag this block when space key pressed, and then I just change the key to right arrow key, and then I duplicate this and then change this to left arrow key like this. Now I go to motion, and then I put change X by 10, and then I go to change X by 10 again, and I change for the left arrow key, I change it to -10 like this. Now whenever I press these keys, the X or the X axis or the horizontal position of the sprite will change by 10, but if I click on the right arrow, and -10 if I click on the left one. Now, as we can see, it's not very smooth. So this was just basic beginner level. So now let's get to advanced scratching by going to events, and then we click this one. When the green flag clicks block, we drag it. Then we go to control and drag the forever blue block. And then inside we put if statements, and then we put 4 if statements for the 4 arrow keys. Then we go to sensing and drag this block when key pressed. Now we're going to change the key after we put this in all of them. So I changed this to down arrow key, this one to up arrow key, this one to right arrow key, and this one to left arrow key. Now I go to motion, and now for the right arrow key, it's pretty simple, change X by 10. For the left arrow key, it's change X by -10. And for changing the height or the vertical location, I'm gonna use change Y by 10. So for the up arrow key, change Y by 10, and then change Y by -10 for the down arrow key. Now it won't be very smooth, so I will drag this block pointing direction. So this is for very smooth graphics, so it would be very smooth. So now we're done with the code. So now we can run it by clicking the green flag, and wow, it's smooth now. So this is kind of cool. So we can control the location of our sprite like this, and yeah, it's cool. So now if we don't want it to touch the edge, we could drag this block. If on edge bounce, and just put it here. Oh, it bounced like this, so it won't go off the edge. So this is how it works. Thank you guys for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow HackerGround1 on Scratch. Thank you.